Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to set home page in Google Chrome. Friends, if you want to change default Google search page and want Chrome to open your customized web page whenever you open Chrome browser, then you simply need to open Chrome browser and here you need to press on these three dots. Now you need to press on settings. Now scroll a little down. Now press on home page. Now default Chrome homepage is selected, so you can here enter your customized web page. Like I want to open my website whenever I open Chrome browser. Now after entering the web address, you need to press on back arrow. Now friends, whenever you open Chrome browser, it will show you the customized web page. Rest you can anytime open home page by pressing on this home button. So friends, like this you can very easily set home page in Google Chrome. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.